No, it's just that's who gets to raise their hand, but we're not starting yet.
Don't look down. Look on the screen.
Got it? Okay, so boys
Look
and
at
girls.
the camera.
Lily's birthday is in the summer. Do you know when your birthday is?
Yes.
Can you tell us in a sentence?
My birthday is in June 15th.
And how old will you be?
6.
Tell us in a sentence.
I will be 6.
Okay, now if I said that you can raise your hand, there's only a few of you. Okay, you get to pick 6 friends to help us. Use your kindergarten voice. So Michaela.
Molly, Lucio, Peyton, Sammy.
Okay, wait, slow down.
I already had it too.
How about you let Mrs. Brew worry about this?
Haley.
Okay, and then one more. Please stop.
I just tried to get you.
Wait, Lucas, you weren't supposed to. No, you weren't supposed to raise your hand, honey. Take one. Ethan, here. Here, Mama. Do you need to sit down? Okay. Okay, on the count of 3, we're going to do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lily. Happy birthday to you. That's not what we do.
Okay.
It's hard to stay on your beautiful crown.
What's in the
It's certainly beautiful.
No.
Here, wait, Lily.
I want to come to